Are you still modeling and prototyping the old-fashioned way, waiting days, weeks, or even months to see ideas take shape? Take a 5-minute look at the ultimate technology for computer-assisted modeling and prototyping, the Techno-Isel CNC Work Center. Cut your design time down to size with the fastest route to more accurate CAD/CAM modeling. This is a name that can have significant impact on your business. Techno-Isel. Techno-Isel is a pioneer in the field of linear motion. We have built and installed over 6,300 CNC work centers worldwide. We build reliability and ruggedness into every system. And we are dedicated to creating the best tool for your application. Now, no matter how you cut it or what you need to cut, you can work a lot faster with a minimal number of steps, and your business can grow more profitable. Now you can replace a lot of antiquated tools with the Techno-Isel package for engraving, drilling, milling, routing, inspection, glue dispensing, or prototyping. What you see right here is all you need. This compact system is really flexible and truly multifaceted, handling a variety of applications with ease and with impressive speed, up to 600 inches per minute. Now you can go from your screen to your finished product in just minutes.
The fastest route to greater profitability begins with a computer software program specially designed for your application, either Mastercam or Castmate. Or if you already use your own CAD/CAM program, our FANUC G-code interface provides the effective communication.
This system is easy to learn, even if it's your first computer experience. Techno-Isel provides support materials to help with easy-to-follow training sessions and a series of tutorial exercises. You can begin to master this system in just hours. And we offer expert phone support too, when the answer to a particular problem is not right at hand. With less training time than you imagined, you'll be programming and editing even complex three-dimensional projects in minutes.
That's right, minutes.
And a Techno-Isel CNC Work Center is so accurate, you can produce circles that are precise to 1/10,000th of an inch.
And now you can make inlays with as small a clearance as you want, down to 2/1000ths of an inch.
And you do all this on a table designed for maximum durability. We do not use Acme lead screws, so you won't have to deal with the constant wear that results from friction between a screw and a nut. And no rack and pinion drives, no belts or pulleys, no V-grooved guide wheels. Any of these can contribute to system backlash.
System what?
No system backlash. That's the hesitation which can occur when the motion changes direction. If the motor is not connected to the machine with total precision, circles will not close accurately, inlays will not fit perfectly, and parts will contain unwanted ridges. We use precision ball screws, which have excellent power transmission due to the rolling ball contact between the nut and the screws. This type of contact ensures low friction, and that means low wear and long life for the parts.
And all this happens so reliably, you can almost do two things at the same time, like taking the order for your next job.
And I have 3 more very complicated prototypes for you. We need them just like the last group, fast and accurate.
No matter what type of CAD/CAM modeling you do, a Techno-Isel CNC Work Center gives you the total flexibility you need to get it done quickly in-house. You can make corrections and systematic improvements all in-house without the additional costs and delays of iterations from an outside source. A Techno-Isel router with Mastercam software can import and export files with DXF, IGES, ASCII, CADL, and ANVIL formats. It can even read in 3D digitized data files as points, lines, or as smooth curves which fit the points. The Techno Mac 200 SD controller has open architecture, accepting FANUC, EXCELLON, G-code, and HPGL commands. It's the perfect hub for a CNC work center which performs modeling and prototyping accurately and precisely.
From our compact and versatile 8 by 10 inch system to table sizes of 20 by 20, 20 by 30, 20 by 40, 30 by 33, and 40 by 48, all the way up to our 4896 with a full 32 square feet of table area. Techno-Isel has the right CNC work center for your application.
Now it's your turn to challenge us. Send us your design and we'll cut your sample. We're convinced that no matter what your application calls for, Techno-Isel can help you put more precision, reliability, and speed into your business and help you get more money out of it. See how your business can accelerate when you are able to work faster, more accurately, and more artistically. So if you're still working with tools the old-fashioned way, discover the affordable way to add speed, accuracy, and output to your operation and profits to your bottom line. Take a look at Techno-Isel technology. It's the cutting edge of CNC innovation.